Hey guys, today's video will teach you how to make a gun. First, get some gun model. You can make your own gun. But I would choose to get a toolbox because if I make a gun it would take a time. Yeah, I think this is good. Insert a tool at starter pack so we can use it as tool. Then name it whatever you want, but I will name it as gun, pistol. And then put the gun model at the tool, which is the gun. Insert remotivant in the tool, which is the gun. Insert weld constraint in the tool. Insert sound in the gun part, which is the model. And then name it as gunshot. Oh yeah, I changed it because I have a better idea. So change the name of handle as gun because I would make a handle part. So insert part at the tool and name it as handle so the grip would be fine. Let's set the position of handle part. Let's weld the pistol model and handle, or we're going to combine them. The handle is work, we are only need is the damage system. Let's put a gunshot sound, just copy the URL number and paste it to sound, which is the gunshot under the pistol model. Insert script in the tool and name it as damage. It's definitely would be our damage system. Insert local script in the tool, and name is as shoot it would be provide the sound system.
Couldn't think of what to say, and all that I can do is stop and think about the days when all we used to dream about was meeting at the school, and we would go on home and start right back again.